2025, the year real estate becomes your best moneymaker. Real estate is making a powerful comeback. After years of uncertainty, pandemic shocks, rate hikes, and market cooldowns, 2025 is shaping up to be the turning point, not just for homeowners, but for investors, side hustlers, and anyone ready to build long-term wealth. Why? Because several forces are aligning to make real estate the smartest place to put your money this year. Let's break down exactly why 2025 could be your most profitable year yet in property. 1. Interest rates are stabilizing and headed down. One of the biggest headwinds in recent years was the spike in interest rates. Mortgages became expensive, deals dried up, investors pulled back. But now, the Federal Reserve has signaled a pivot. Inflation is cooling, rate cuts are expected, and markets are already pricing in cheaper borrowing costs ahead. That means real estate is about to get a lot more attractive again. Lower rates increase affordability, they boost demand, and they give investors leverage to scale. If you've been waiting on the sidelines, this is the signal you were looking for. 2. Housing supply is still tight. While demand is rising, supply remains scarce. Years of underbuilding have created a chronic shortage of homes in many U.S. markets. Cities like Austin, Phoenix, and Tampa continue to face inventory gaps. New construction isn't keeping pace with population growth. Builders are cautious, zoning laws are restrictive, and aging baby boomers aren't moving out as fast as expected.
This imbalance is the backbone of real estate's strength in 2025. It means prices won't crash, rents will keep climbing, and well-located properties will appreciate. Whether you're flipping, renting, or holding long-term, the math is in your favor. 3. The rent boom isn't over. Rents surged in the early 2020s, but they're not done rising. Remote work and migration trends are still shaking up housing demand. People are moving to smaller cities. They're seeking lifestyle upgrades, and they're often choosing to rent first before buying. In markets like Charlotte, Boise, and Nashville, rental demand is exploding. Multifamily units are cash flowing. Single-family homes are commanding premium rents. With fewer Americans qualifying for mortgages, landlords are in a strong position. For investors, this is a perfect setup. Rising rents plus appreciating assets. 4. Millennials and Gen Z are entering the market hard. Here's a generational shift that can't be ignored. Millennials are now in their prime home-buying years. Gen Z is right behind them. Together, they make up the largest group of renters, buyers, and future investors. In 2025, their demand is peaking. These generations think differently. They value flexibility, location, and digital convenience. They're open to co-buying, house hacking, and investing in short-term rentals. They don't view real estate as a white picket fence dream. They see it as a money move. This mindset shift is fueling a new era of real estate entrepreneurship. 5. Tech is making investing easier than ever. The real estate game used to be slow, manual, and local. Not anymore. In 2025, anyone with a smartphone and $500 can get started. Real estate crowdfunding platforms are democratizing access. Fractional ownership apps are letting people buy shares of properties. AI tools are helping investors analyze deals in seconds. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, the barrier to entry is lower than ever. You can automate property management. You can run Airbnbs remotely. You can raise capital with a click. This is no longer a rich man's game. It's a tech-powered opportunity. 6. Real estate beats the market. Again, let's talk performance. Stocks have been volatile. Crypto is unpredictable. But real estate? It's historically stable. And in 2025, it's poised to outperform again. According to projections, real estate returns could hit double digits in many markets this year, especially when factoring in rental income and tax benefits. Plus, it's a hedge. Real estate protects against inflation. It diversifies your portfolio. It builds equity over time. In an uncertain world, it offers something rare: control. You can improve it, rent it, refinance it, sell it. Few assets offer that kind of flexibility. The bottom line: 2025 isn't just another year, it's a prime window. Real estate is back, but in a smarter, leaner, tech fueled way. The fundamentals are solid: falling rates, limited supply, rising rents, and a flood of new buyers. Add in the tools and platforms making access easier than ever, and you've got a perfect storm for wealth creation. If you're serious about growing your money this year, don't just watch the market, be in it. Because in 2025, real estate isn't just a good investment, it's your best one.